Hey there everyone, welcome back in React.js video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial we are going to make the setup of our React.js project, to-do project, sorry. And first of all we have to install React. So the command is npx create React app and then app name. In our case it's Todo App. Hit enter. I'm currently in my final folder, which I uploaded this repository on my GitHub. So just you have to create a folder in any location in your desktop or anywhere and run this command, and your React.js will be start to installing. Okay, next step, we have to create our Firebase database. I'm going to delete my old one which I created before, and I'm going to remove permanently. I deleted this project. Now I have nothing here. I'm going to create a new project in Firebase and the name is Todo, and continue. No need for analytics. Okay, continue. It's creating our project on Firebase. It's taking some time now. The finish up is started. Okay, continue. And next step, we have to create a cloud file store and get started by adding Firebase in your app. Sorry, just go to web. Here is already some bunch of tools where we use Firebase, Unity 3D, Android, iOS, iPhone. We're using in web. Let's click here, app name, Todo, and then to-dos. Leave this checkbox. Also set up Firebase hosting. No, we are not using Firebase hosting, just for testing purpose. Continue. It's done. The next step, we have our app, and go to Firestore. Here, create a database in test mode, and next. And here is a location. It's US, Europe, or Asia. Give it default, enable. It's taking a little bit time. Now we're here. The React.js is installed. Source folder. So first, yeah, our Firestore is finished. Let's make the collection. The name is let's say to-dos, and next field name to-do. Keep it string, and value. This is first to-do. And generate the document ID bar to save or create. Now the collection is create and our document also create, where we have only one field to do, and we store our value. So that's up. Let's finish our setup in Firebase, and let's come back to our project setup. And after installation, this React JS, if I check here my directory, we have one project which we created in our app. So I have to change directory to do app, and first thing we have to install here material UI. It's a React component, you can read from here, for faster and easier web development. Say if you know Bootstrap, then material UI is very easy. Just little bit difference, like there is classes or class, here is class name, a little bit difference, that's it. If you know Bootstrap, it's not a big deal, you can easily understand material UI. So get started, and we have to install this React material UI in our React.js project. So copy this command, go to your project, install. Next thing, we also have install the fonts, like we use their font awesome, and here is material UI icons. We have to install this icon, and then we can use. If I show you icon, it's very cool, and it's easy to use, same like material UI icon. Sorry, this font awesome. And here, okay, here is the this icons and different types. You can find from here, user, something like that, and copy and paste. We will use later. Okay, now go back to our terminal, paste, and run this command npm install at the material UI icons. It's installing. Now we have to run our project. It's npm start. Our project is running. It's on 3001 because I already running this port already and the project. So here is the project. We make setup of our Firebase. We install React.js, and we install material UI and material UI icons. So it's setup. You can set it. You create a whole setup, and one more thing we have to do here. Sorry, install Firebase npm I, or install, you can write here Firebase. In your project, and also you have to install Firebase tool because I already installed globally in my machine, that's why I don't need to install again, but you have to install npm I and Firebase in your project. So that's for this video tutorial, and see you in next one.